Hello bros, in this video we are going to set up customized fonts in our React Native application. So for that we have created this asset folder. Inside this asset we have created this fonts subfolder, and for the fonts we will use Google Fonts. So you can download or like search your desired fonts from here. So I am going to use IBM Plex Sense for this application. So go to get font, download, and inside the fonts, we'll download it. And now there are too many fonts. So we will be using bold, light, medium, regular, and semi-bold. So mostly we use these five fonts in our application. Okay, so I will remove these two. Okay, so the fonts are available now. So the linking for these fonts into our iOS and Android project, what we will do, we will use this package, React Native Asset. So we have to download it globally. So you can download it globally. You go to terminal, okay, and inside this terminal, copy and paste this command. Okay, so this has been installed in our global environment. Now what we will do, we will run the simple command which is npx create native asset. Okay, now as we hit this command, it will link our assets to the iOS projects and the Android projects. And also, uh, if you don't have this React Native config file, so we have to create this file for the configuration. What this file does, this file provides you the configuration options that are not covered in the default configuration of React Native. Okay, so I have created this file and I have set the path of the assets, which is src assets and fonts, and there are other configurations also. So you can do it also. This is iOS automatic ports installation. So what it does, uh, as soon as you hit the yarn iOS command, first it will install the pods. You don't have to go to the iOS folder and then run pod install command. It will directly, like, automatically install the pods in your iOS project. Okay, so this type of configuration you can do in the React config.js, and you can do more research about it. Okay, let's rebuild our project as it has been linked. So my terminal is not working. So I would go to iOS and do pod install. It's for the safer side. It would work without the pod install also because it has been already linked. So you go to Xcode and build this. So in the meantime, we will create one utils file for the fonts. We'll name it as fonts.ts. Okay. Now what we will do, we will export our fonts variable from here, and we are going to use these fonts we have downloaded, which is bold, and we will have the same name here, bold, then regular, and we'll do same for others, medium. and this one is semi bold. Semi bold. Okay. Now let's check if these fonts are working fine. Let's go to sign up screen. Remove this font size and font weight. Let's check it. Okay. So now what we will do, we will provide the font family to button text. So we will import, let's export these fonts. First export the fonts. Okay. Now we will use fonts from the utils. We will use bold. Okay. You see the font has been changed of this button to the bold. Now for the font size, we can create the dynamic font size also, so that we can use that font size in like if you want to create the application for tablet and uh, you want that that font, if you provide the font as like fixed number 16, then it will it will reflect in the tablet also as 16, not according to the tablet size. So what you can do, you can create the dynamic fonts here. So first let's create the matrix. So inside this matrix, we will give the screen width. We will fetch the width from the dimensions API. So const dimensions dot get window width and height. We will import width and height from dimension. Now we will check the orientation also. So if the width is less than height, then screen width would be width. If it is greater than, then screen width would be height. So this will work for the orientation changes. Okay, same here. The height and this would be width. Okay, now let's take one more constant as font size, and we can calculate the font size as you can provide the whatever font size you are using. So font 12. So what we will do, how we will calculate the dimensions in here. So we will get the screen width from the matrix. We will multiply it to 12 and we will have the base width here. So for that we will create one more constant, base width, and we will take the standard base width which will be 365. Okay, now we will create more font sizes. Okay, let's create one more, 14, 16, 18 and 20. 20, 18, 16 and 14. Let's export these font size also. So I don't have tablet installed, but you can check this. I have tried it out in other projects also. It works fine. Font size dot font 16. So here you can see if I would run this project in iPad or tab, it the button size and the font size would be dynamic according to the width of that width and height of that tablet. Okay, so we have successfully imported the different fonts. We can use different fonts here. Like light. Okay, fonts. Dot. Okay, we are not using light. Let's do the regular. Let's change to regular. Semi bold. Change to semi bold. Bold. So that's it. You can do it with the help of this video in your project. So it's very simple, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks. Bye.